Now, the air quality in Delhi has improved slightly from severe to the very poor category, but it's much above the World Health Organization levels for people to remain healthy. But as far as air pollution goes, it's not just that is troubling the national capital. Also, pollution in the Yamuna River that goes through Delhi. In fact, today people for Chhath Puja have been taking a dip in the Yamuna, and there's toxic foam floating on top. Let's go across to Sonakshi. And Sonakshi, I can see all that foam behind you, but people's faith is so strong. Even then, they're taking a dip in the foam, even drinking the water.
Yes, absolutely, Gargi. I'm at the Yamuna, the banks of Yamuna here in the national capital near Kalindi Kunj area, and what you see on your screen is not an appealing foamy water, but in fact very toxic. It appears frothy like when you mix detergent in water, but unfortunately this is not a good sight to the eye, given that this foam is extremely toxic coming from nearby industrial areas. I can show you on my left right there that the gush of water coming there, but the water entirely filled with this toxic foam. One can always get into the science and chemistry of it as to what forms these white frothy layers. Is the phosphates in the water present? But devotees here, you will see these images every year. It's very common around Chhath Puja, a celebration and auspicious festival for those in Bihar. But you can see here devotee performing her puja rituals here amid this toxic foam around her. There were several devotees who also took a dip over here, and in fact even took some into they even drank that water, considering it as holy water. I spoke to those devotees and we will play that out in a while, but you can see here when I spoke to them, they said that they're not afraid of this, and the fact that they think that this is faith. So मैं आपसे बस समझना चाहती हूँ कि आपको लगता है जो ये आप छठ पूजा की तो आप ये मना रहे हैं, लेकिन ये जो सफेद झांझ दिख रहा है वो बहुत हानिकारक है शरीर के लिए. आपको थोड़ा डर है?
नहीं डर है.
अच्छा, तो मतलब क्योंकि जो ये झांझ है बहुत ही हानिकारक है, इसीलिए आप लोग पानी भी पी रहे हैं. तो क्या ये आप लोग मानते हैं इस चीज को?
मैं गंगा जान के पी लेते हैं.
गंगा मान के पी लेते हैं आप?
हाँ.
अच्छा, और छठ पूजा हर साल यही आके मनाते हैं? अच्छा, क्या क्या करते हैं? यहाँ पे पानी पीते हैं और पानी में नहाते हैं?
हाँ, और अर्घ देते हैं.
अच्छा,
भगवान उगते और डूबते.
तो क्या मानते हैं इस पानी को?
गंगा.
अच्छा. So a devotee here expressing and saying that she believes that this is God, this is her faith, and that she is not scared, she's not afraid that this is unhygienic, this is extremely toxic to the human body. But yes, these are the visuals from the national capital, in addition to already what we have been talking about and stressing on the air pollution crisis that the city is already seeing. But at the same time, this extremely toxic foam accumulated on the banks of Yamuna in the national capital.